Hello student, I am S.K. Misra, teacher of Maths in DAVCCL Grade A. Today I am going to start the chapter mensuration. In mensuration, first of all we have to know surface area and volume of, first of all we have to know surface area of a cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, hemisphere, etc. The total surface area of a cuboid. The cuboid is made by 6 surfaces, 6 rectangular surfaces. Just like this copy is just like a cuboid. It has 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Area of this surface is L into B, and opposite surface also be L into B. Area of this surface is L into H, L into H, area of this surface B into H and B into H. So total surface area of cuboid is equal to twice LB plus twice LH plus twice BH, taking 2 as a common, that to do LB plus LH plus BH. Lateral surface area of a cuboid, lateral surface area or curved surface area. So cuboid is the curved surface area, means this area, this area, this area and this area. So 2LH and 2BH. So 2LH and 2BH, taking 2H as a common, then L plus B. Now one question is, a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is open at the top. What is the, ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of sheet required. That the area of sheet is equal to area of sheet equal to 1.5 meter into 1.25 LV, because one end is open, it means one LV is not here, only base is here, so one LV is occurred, 2 LH and 2 BH. So area 1.5 meter into 1.25 meter plus 2 into 1.5 into 0.65 meter square, 2 into 1.25 and 0.65 meter square, and total sum is 5.45 meter square. Now second part is the cost of sheet for if sheet measuring 1 meter square cost 1 meter square cost 20, it means total cost is equal to 5.45 into 20 rupees, and this is 5 to the 10, 4 to the 8, 19, 5 to the 10, means 100 rupees 90 paise. Now cube, in case of cube, the total cube has all square faces, all faces are identical. In a cuboid only opposite faces are identical, but in a cube all faces are equal or identical. So total surface area of cube is equal to 6 into side square, 6a square if it is taken as. If each side of cube is taken a, then it is 6 into a square, it means 6 into side a. Lateral surface area, it is bounded by 4 surfaces, it means 4 square surfaces, so 4 into side square, 4a square. Now one question is based on it. A cubical box has each is 10 centimeter and another cubical box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Lateral surface area of cubical box, 4 into side square, 4 into 10 centimeter, because its width is 10, so 4 into 10 centimeter square, and so 400 to 400 centimeter. Now next is lateral surface area of cubical box. So lateral surface area, it means 2 LB plus LH plus BH, and we will find then 2 into 12.5 into 10 plus 12.5 into 8 plus 10 into 8 centimeter square, and this is equal to, after calculation, 514 centimeter square. So cubical box has a lateral surface area, has more lateral surface area than that of cuboidal box has more lateral surface area and than that of cubical box, and by 514 400 means 114 centimeter square. Now we discuss about cylinder. The total surface area of cylinder just like this copy, when it is rolled along its breadth, it is just a cylinder. And in case the total surface area means 2 pi RH plus pi r square and pi r square. So this area is pi r square, and this 2 pi RH. So total surface area is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r plus h. Lateral surface area or curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r. We have a question. In a hot, we have already studied in class 8. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 55 centimeter. Find total radiating surface in the system. So radiating surface, it means 2 pi RH. So diameter is 5, so radius is 5 by 2 centimeter, means 5 by 200 meter. And the length of pipe is given 28 meter. So area of total radiating surface is equal to 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 by 7, 5 by 20 into 28 centimeter. After calculation, we will find 4.4 meter square. Now find the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. How much steel was actually used? If 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. Here radius is 4.2 by 2 to 2.1 meter and height is given 4.5 meter. So curved surface area of tank to 2 pi RH, 2 into 22 by 7, 2.1 into 4.5. After calculation, we will find 59.4 meter square. And TSA of cylinder, to TSA cylinder 2 pi RH, because cylinder is closed on both ends, so 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Area of bottom space surface is pi r square and upper also be pi r square, so 2 pi r square. And value of 2 pi h is 59.4 meter square, and 2 into 22 by 7, 2.1 into 2.1. After calculation, we will find 87.12 meter square. Now let total area of steel to be used is x meter square. Total area of steel to be used is x meter square. So area of steel used for making cylinder is 11 by 12, because 1 by 12 of the area is wasted. So 11 by 12 is already used, actually used for making the cylinder. So 11 by 12 of x is equal to 87.12, and then x is equal to 95.04 meter square. Now cone. Now we have to discuss about cone. So cone has two height. One is h, actual height, and other is called slant height. It is just slant height, and it is denoted by L. Cone is also be called right circular cone, whose height is h and the radius is r. So L is just behave just like a hypotenuse. So L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. अब curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of means area of this part is pi rl, and total surface area of cone, because cone has two surfaces, one curved and other is plain circular surface. So pi rl plus pi r square. It means pi r l plus r. Now we have one question. Find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is 21 meter and diameter of its base is 24 meter. Diameter is 24 meter, so radius is 24 by 2 meter, 12 meter. अब CSA of cone, because slant height is here already given. CSA of cone pi rl, so 22 by 7 into 12 into 21 meter square, and then after calculation we will find 792 meter square. TSA of cone, तो pi rl plus pi r square, तो pi r l plus r, 22 by 7 into r radius. The slant height is 21 plus 12, so their sum is 33, and after calculation we will get 1244.57 meter square. Just like we have another question, a joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and height 24 cm. Find area of sheet required to make 10 such caps. It means because joker caps have only curved surface area. So first of all we will find here slant height. L is equal to h square plus r square root of h square plus r square. So 24 square plus 7 square root 5 7 14 and 6 25 square root 25 centimeter. अब CSA आपको पाई आर है 22/7, रेडियस इज 7 and slant height is L 25. So we will find 550 centimeter square. Now area of sheet required for making 10 such caps. So obviously area of one cap is 550 centimeter square. Obviously 10 such caps means 550 into 10, so 50 centimeter square. Now sphere. Just a ball is just like a sphere. Surface area of a sphere has only one surface. A sphere has only one surface. So surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Now another face is a hemisphere. A hemisphere has two surfaces. One is curved and other is plain circular surface. So total surface area of hemisphere to 2 pi r square, because this is the half of the sphere. And area of sphere, total surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So half of the sphere is 2 pi r square and pi r square is included with it. So total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Curved surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. Now we have a question. A hemisphere ball is made of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the ball is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area. Here inner radius is given and thickness is also given. So inner radius is 5 centimeter. Outer radius, so inner radius plus thickness. 5 plus 0.525 centimeters, so 5.25 centimeters. Now outer curved surface area of hemisphere. So outer curved surface area, so 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22/7, 5.25 into 5.25. After calculation, we will find 173.25 centimeter square. Now, very important question. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. Now we have to find surface area of the sphere, curved surface area of the cylinder, and ratio of areas obtained in first and second. It means ratio of area of surface area of the sphere to that of curved surface area of cylinder. Here sphere has radius r and height of cylinder is this. So this height shows here diameter of the sphere. So total height is equal to h is equal to here 2r for hemisphere cylinder. Now height of cylinder is 2r. Surface area of sphere. So we know that surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. We know that because sphere has one surface. And for making a sphere, if we will take 4 circles of equal radii, and when it is joined end by end, then a sphere is made. So total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, because it is made by 4 circular surface. Curved surface area of cylinder. So curved surface of area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r, h means here 2r, because cylinder just encloses a sphere. It means diameter of a sphere becomes here height of cylinder. So 2 pi r into 2r. So their product is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Now third part is ratio of areas obtained first and second. So ratio of areas obtained in first and second. It means ratio of area of sphere to that of curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 4 pi r square by 4 pi r square. Cancel, 1 is to 1. Thank you, children.